Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring JDK 21 or later is installed, and Java Home points to it. This matters because virtual threads require the newer runtime. Next, create a minimal project and compile with preview features enabled so the launcher recognizes virtual thread APIs. Once done, open your IDE or terminal and update your build to include any platform-specific flags. You want a predictable runtime. Finally, prepare a simple main method to accept incoming tasks. That is your immediate, actionable starting point. You now write code that creates virtual threads. Use thread, a virtual, unstarted or directly start with thread, a virtual, start for quick tasks. If you have many short-lived tasks, create an executor with executors. New virtual thread per task executor, and submit runnables or callables. This simplifies pooling. Make sure to avoid blocking native I/O inside those tasks. Instead, favor non-blocking or small synchronous operations so you keep scalability. Once tasks are submitted, join or shut down the executor cleanly to let threads finish before process exit. You finish by ensuring every executor is shut down and awaiting termination so virtual threads complete. Use try with resources or explicit shutdown followed by await termination. If you run into issues, profile the app to find tasks stuck in native blocking calls or synchronized locks, because virtual threads do not remove logic bugs. A common fix is refactoring blocking operations to asynchronous APIs or limiting parallelism as a temporary mitigation. If things go wrong, check thread dumps for parked virtual threads and trace the blocking call site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.